Everybody, Jay here with Rogers Motor Cars. Today we got a pretty awesome Bronco Raptor here. This is a 2022 Ford Bronco Raptor, and this one's got 20,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, it's got 2 keys, all the books. Very nice. It does have modifications, obviously. We did pick this up from a client here locally, a friend of mine actually, and he's taking really great care of this. Right off the bat, got some 38-inch tires on here. These are some nice Toyo open country tires. They're like brand new all the way around. No need to replace those. Got the 20-inch fuel wheels. Does have a flat black or matte black, you could say, wrap on it. The original color is black on this Bronco, so looks really good either way. If you don't like the matte, take it off and you got the gloss black. Come around to the back here. It does have a storage box installed here. Locking. You can put some things back here. Nice panel there. Set some stuff up on top. We do have the storage bag for the top and the off-road kit that comes with this. There's pictures in the gallery of all of that. Something else that's been added to this Bronco is the sound system. So back here we've got a custom enclosure with 2 12-inch JL subs. If you're an audiophile, the sound system in this thing is legit. So all the speakers have been replaced inside as well. It's got the leather and suede seats. It does have the carbon fiber trim package as well. It's got the sound deadening in here for the headliner. Does have the 374 group, the package group. So that's Raptor series, Lux package, adaptive cruise, all the goodies there. Heated steering wheel, I think, comes with that as well. The wrap is in excellent condition. Very nice. This has also been fitted with the Passport Escort system. You can see right there is the controller. Up here is your display. And then we've got your lights that are behind this vent that you can see. They're hidden away, but when you turn on the system, you can see a light up there. So a lot of cool stuff done to it. Got the rigid lights up front. I mean, this thing looks mean. We can ship this to you on an open trailer anywhere in the country if you're out of town. Long distance deals are very easy. You can go through my Google reviews and see all the people that have bought from me long distance and how happy they were. I do not mind at all FaceTiming you. If you want to FaceTime, we'll go over every little detail. It's not a problem. If you want some extra pictures or anything, we can certainly get you that. If you want some more videos. Fun to drive. Very comfortable. If you're financing, we've got some options for you. If you got your own bank you want to finance with, that's not a problem. Cash deals are always the easiest way to do anything, but we can accommodate. Very, very nice Bronco Raptor here. So give us a call. Hope to hear from you. Very easy to reach. If I don't answer, I'm just on the phone with somebody else, but I will get right back to you. Very rare that I miss a phone call or a text message. So like the video if you don't mind. Subscribe to the channel. We're growing. You can find us on Facebook at Rogers Motor Cars. Instagram is Rogers_Motorcars. I do a lot of posting there, especially in the stories, things that are coming down the pipeline, or a lot of times I've got vehicles that come in on trade and such that I don't even put on the website. So follow along there. Most of my clients I know personally. Been doing this 20 years. So I'm not buying cars at the auction and flipping them. I'm sourcing my cars from people I know. So hope to hear from you, and let's get a deal done on this one. Thanks for watching.